everything changes.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome into the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. And there's a really important update on PayPal for those of you that are still using PayPal that I want you to be aware of. Also, for those of you that are using managed payments, eBay's managed payments, can you please take a look after you watch this video at your transactions and see if you're being charged a similar type fee based on what I'm about to show you. So the long story short is, let's say that you sell a $10 item on eBay and you're still using PayPal. We all know, if you're not aware of it, eBay is now collecting sales tax and submitting it to the states on our behalf. They are doing it for about 30 or 40 states currently, and by this coming year, 2020, they will be doing it for all of the states. Florida is not one of them yet. Unfortunately, I'm still collecting and paying my own, as I did in third quarter, and probably will have to right now in fourth quarter. So with that said, you sell a $10 item, and normally you would collect your $10. PayPal would take a fee of 2.9% plus 30 cents. So on a $10 item, that 2.9 is 29, and then your 30 cents is 59 cents. Well, the customer, let's say that their state imposes an 8% sales tax. So they're paying an extra 80 cents. So they're actually paying $10.80. Well, now the $10.80 amount is what is going into your PayPal. Instead of $10, it's $10.80. PayPal is then calculating the 2.9% plus 30 cents on the 1080, and then your 1080 now, instead of having a 59 cent fee, might have like a 62 or 63 cent fee. eBay takes their 80 cent back. It's like it goes in and it goes out, but it triggers that fee. So now your $10 is there, but you're losing 63 cents instead of 59 cents. So it costs you like an extra 4 cents. And let me give you guys an example, because sometimes it's easier just to see it in black and white. Let me go on my computer, I'll screen share it with you, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. And then in the comment section, if you're using managed payments, I want you to tell me if it's kind of similar to what I'm about to show you. Now, just full disclosure here, there's nothing we can do about it. I doubt they're gonna change it. It is only 3 or 4 cents. Some people are gonna have the argument if 3 or 4 cents is hurting you, then you're doing something wrong. That's correct, but all these little pennies add up, and I feel like every time I make a video, it's some new little penny thing that's costing us, you know, an extra 50 cents on USPS, an extra 4 cents on a PayPal fee, PayPal keeping fees when customers get, you know, cancellations and they get their refund. Just every little nickel and dime, nickel and dime, nickel and dime, and your business should make enough money where the nickel and dimes don't kill you. But man, when will it ever end, right? So without further ado, let's jump on over to the computer. Let me show you exactly what it looks like, and then you can confirm in your PayPal transactions or your eBay managed transactions, managed payments, whether it's the same or not. So let's take a look. Okay, so here we are on my transaction details for one of my PayPal transactions, an item that I sold on eBay. It's just a Cuba Vera shirt. I sold it for $18. And if you look, without revealing the buyer's information, the purchase total was $18, right? And so they automatically charged this buyer 83 cents in sales tax. And I believe that's probably about, what, 6%? It's even, I think it's probably even less than that. It looks like it's like 5% maybe. Times 0.05. It's even less than that. Wherever this person is, it's cheap, their sales tax. But anyways, long story short, they charged them 83 cents. And then that gives me a gross amount of $18.83. They base the PayPal fee on the $18.83, which was 85 cents, right? So then eBay takes out their 83 and PayPal gets its 85, leaving me a $17.15. Now, if the whole sales tax thing hadn't come through, which it should never touch my hands, that should never happen. If they had based the fee on just the $18, 0.29% plus 30 cents is 82 cents, right? So 18 minus 0.82 is actually going to be less of a fee. It's only a 1 or a 3 cent difference in fees. So they charged me 85 cents as a PayPal fee. But if they hadn't included that sales tax, it would have been 82 cents of a PayPal fee, right? So then it would have been 18 minus 82 cents, which would have left me $17.18. Instead, I got $17.15 because that 83-cent sales tax being added into the payment triggered that fee to be higher. So there you go. It would have been a 3-cent difference. Doesn't sound like a lot, but on every single transaction, 3 or 4 cents. If you're doing, 4 or 5 items a day, 15 cents a day times 365 days a year is $54.75. It's just $55 you're giving up. That's a cell phone bill. That's a water payment. That's something. It's just $54. And then now the increase we're paying. Up from last year, 50 cents extra per package, 40 cents extra per package on our first class. So now we're paying times 5 packages, an extra $2 a day, times 365 days, extra $730 plus the 54 on this. That's $784. It ends up being nickel and diming you to the, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. And for bigger, people doing 10, 15, 20 items a day, it can be 2 and 3 times that much. So just something that I wanted to point out to you guys. It's not catastrophic, but it's just one more thing that just kind of, little poke, little thorn. And way to go, PayPal, on this. I don't know how they're getting away with this because in my opinion, and I could be wrong, this could be law, legal, not legal, I have no idea. Maybe someone can chime in. Whoever's collecting the sales tax is supposed to receive that money, and it should not be going into any other account for somebody who's not doing the collecting of it. Not 100% sure. But anyways, long story short, there you go, PayPal adding in extra fee based on the sales tax amount being triggering inside of the transaction. If all of this is confusing to you and you have no idea what's going on, feel free to watch my other videos, search my channel for sales tax. And also I have my accounting program. I'm not a CPA, but I have a program of videos that will show you how to track your numbers, taxes, all that kind of stuff down below. It's available. It's the best thing you can spend your money on, especially with the year ending. It's just $20. And it's also a part of my complete package for $50. So if you buy the whole package with all the training guides for eBay, Amazon, Posh, social media, my webinars, the VIP group, all of that is $50. And it includes this accounting program that you would get just buying it for $20. So $20 for just the accounting, $50 for the entire bundle. I'll link them down below, and I appreciate the support as always, and I'll see you guys in the next video.